cold?
Yeah, and I stole whatever was in here. Like the little ice packs, I just left them in here. They're not like frozen, but they're still cold.
Can you hear it?
Yep.
Are we on the fucking boat? I'm recording you. I need words of wisdom, okay, from the captain over here. I'm not gonna get that.
Needs his hat. Where's your hat, Dad? Got that head. Didn't Taylor get you a hat?
I don't have one.
Oh, I thought they got you one. Stop.
Too funny.
It's now 10:30. Need to get her when she's dancing.
Well, we need to get a couple more beers in her.
She's got plenty of them downstairs. A 3-hour
What the hell's going on, Mom?
Yeah, what's wrong, Mom? Oh. Listen to this over and over.